To prep clothing, you may use plastic or retail hangers, but no wire hangers, please. The hanger should look like a question mark when facing you. Use a safety pin to attach a string tag to the left side of the garment, your right. This ensures that when the item is hung on the rack, the price tag will be easily accessible to the shopper. To hang a pair of bottoms, use large safety pins and attach the hips to the top of the hanger. No need to use an additional safety pin for your string tag. This is also an acceptable hanger and way to hang bottoms. Moms love to shop for bundles. Brands do not have to be the same, but the sizes must be. Bundle items together to meet the minimum price. You may bundle items to make an outfit or group like items such as shirts, pants, or onesies. To group bottoms, pin items together using large safety pins to secure them to the hanger so that they do not fall off. To group onesies, place the hanger through one side and flip over. Attach the additional items using a large safety pin and secure it to the right shoulder by going through both the onesie and around the hanger. Use the same method on the front left shoulder and include your string tag. No need to use an additional safety pin. To bundle an outfit, place the shirt on the hanger and flip over. Place the bottoms with the front facing out and use large safety pins to attach the hips to the hanger. Make sure items are secured together and place the tag on the front left shoulder. Include an accessory with clothing. Pin the accessory with the string tag to the left side of the garment, making sure it's securely attached by pinning around the hanger. We accept clothing in sizes newborn through teen. Clothes must not be overly worn or out of date. We cannot accept items with stains, holes, missing buttons, or pilling.